If you're trying to add links to your YouTube channel and feel a bit confused, this video will help. I will walk you through the steps so you can set it up quickly and easily. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, make sure you open YouTube website and log into your account. In the top left, click here, scroll down and click on YouTube Studio. Here, scroll down again and click on customization. Make sure you are in the profile tab instead of the home tab. Then scroll down here. As you can see here, links. To add the link, you're just gonna click on here, add link. Here you're gonna paste a link that you have copied, and here the name of the link. Maybe if it's the link of your Instagram, you're gonna paste here the link, in here you're gonna type in Instagram. If it's something else, you're just gonna type in its name, maybe Spotify or something else. To add another link, you're just gonna click here. As you can see, you're just gonna do the same thing that you have done here. To delete a link, just gonna click here. And this is how you can add links to your channel. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.